gonna be transforming the look of the Durpamax by powder coating some truck parts, and it's super exciting. We're doing a couple engine bay parts and this grill part right here. First thing we gotta do today is uninstall the front grill and the remaining parts inside the engine bay, and we're actually gonna take it to sandblast because I was sanding down the parts myself, but I ran out of materials and I'd rather just pay for sandblasting than keep buying sandpaper, and it's taken me a while. Originally, I was supposed to powder coat the parts today, but the shop I was gonna do it at ended up not having the time to let me powder coat the truck parts, so it might be next week, but we need to at least get the parts sandblasted today by a shop. All right, we now have everything off. Now we just have to take off this. That's what we're powder coating if it wasn't obvious already. So let's go drop that off, get it sandblasted. All right, this is everything that we're gonna get sandblasted so we can powder coat next week, hopefully. We got some fender braces here. I'm not sure what this part is called, but it's gonna look nice orange, that's all I know. And then we got this bracket in front of the grill. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait. Let's go get it sandblasted. Palmer's powder made quick work of the sandblasting. These parts look pretty prepped. I just gotta simple green them when we go to powder coat. So you'll probably see the next clip around a week from now because I gotta button up the truck so I can actually make it work. And then we'll powder coat the truck parts. I can't wait to see the final result. It's gonna paint match this part right here. I just can't wait. This is gonna be one of the biggest cosmetic upgrades since the fender flares. It has been a week. It's time to go powder coat some truck parts. We already took apart the truck in like 10 minutes. My fastest time to take apart this thing. I guess I'm pretty excited for the cosmetic changes coming to the Durpamax. So let's get in there, let's powder coat, and then we'll come back out here and show off everything that we did. These truck parts are about to come around the corner, so it's about time we transform the look of the Durpamax with powder coat. I am so excited. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time. Let's powder coat. Okay, the parts are coming out of the booth. I have a couple fluffies on the parts. I think that will bake out of the part in the oven because it wasn't coming from my gun, but it was coming from my powder. But look at this. This isn't even melted, guys. This is gonna be more vibrant, like 2 shades different once it comes out of the oven. That is crazy. And this, there's a special story behind this. So on YouTube shows you who comments on your channel, obviously, but it also has a spotlight feature. And I thought I would never have any subscribers from that YouTube logo on my truck, but Dumb Humor subscribed by finding me in public, and he's been commenting on 76 different videos. So I wanted to say thank you by sending him a Cartoon Car Club sticker and a powder-coated wrench. That's just crazy. This is so cool. Like, could you imagine watching a YouTuber and then getting a custom powder-coated wrench that matches their truck parts? I would stay subscribed till I die, honestly. But I find that to be really cool. Parts should be coming out of the oven any second now. I left it in the oven for about 25 minutes. I have the line at a full speed right here, so they get out pretty quick. And it's starting to come out. I'm gonna step back so I see it in full light. I kind of peeked with the light in the oven, but it's so dark that I wasn't able to tell. Oh my God, dude. It's so worth waiting as much as I did. Whoa! Dude! That's like a factory part! Palmer's helped me with the sandblasting, but I did that by myself! That's crazy! Oh my God! Oh! I cannot get over how much gloss that is. When I powder coat, it's usually textured powder, so I haven't personally sprayed something this glossy yet. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna get everything prepped to reinstall in the truck, and then I'll tune back into you guys. What am I saying? I'll tune back in with you guys when I have progress or already installed everything. I almost got too excited to record for you guys because I wanted to get everything wrapped together, but look at how cool that radiator brace looks. Oh my gosh. This has been such a fun experience. I'm so happy with how everything came out. I want to powder coat more stuff. So let me know what you guys think about getting these tow hooks powder coated. I think it would look great. All right, well, let's get everything assembled. Then we could either tonight or tomorrow get some really nice video cinematic stuff. All right, I truly suck at using the gimbal, but what do you guys think of the powder coated truck parts? I think they look fantastic. They stand out and they look amazing. Would you do powder coating if you could? And what parts would you powder coat? Let me know in the comments down below. But if you want to check out more truck related stuff, it'll be in the top corner. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Derp to the max.